They say our body is made of 70% water. It's the fluid that gets you going every single day. So when you sweat, it's like you're losing a part of yourself. Sometimes, you don't realize its importance. The balance it creates for our mind and body. That every gasp and every step takes a lot away. Every time I feel the pain, every time I think of stopping, it's a battle. It's mind over matter. But even if I fall, I keep telling myself to go harder. Cause beyond the pain is the refreshing taste of water. That keeps me at my best. That makes me go higher, faster, stronger. Cherish every drop, every sip you take. Because one day, we might be running out of water. Or running after it.